Hello everyone, Alexein and Hrod from videogames.lu here, and today we thought we give Granblue a try. As you all know, in these dark times where we are all on lockdown at the moment, there is no gaming cafe, no offline gatherings of the Luxembourgish FGC.
That's sad news, man.
It's sad times, man, and so also to kill some time, we thought we give you some online content. I mean, it's nothing serious, nothing professional. I'm like, we just build it up just like that, you know, with the equipment that we have. So we are aware that the sound is not the best, and maybe also the video quality.
But we wanted to give you something, man. So we can't just stay here and do nothing.
Yeah. So today we thought we might give Granblue a try.
Yeah.
So let's dive right into it. I'm gonna be player 1.
Wow.
So Alexein is on player 1 side, Hrod is on player 2 side, because I know that our voices
sound the same, yeah.
sound the same.
Who's talking right now? You choose.
Twins live. So we already played some matches, but we really didn't. We didn't try too much of it.
Yeah, so we messed around in training mode, something like that, and you already see I'm on Percival with that purple stuff.
I didn't actually see the colors that Catalina has. So
that's the most important part. The colors.
I take black and white.
Isn't that the color from the beta?
I chose these colors on the beta at UFA.
Just do random.
Let's just do random. But I mean, there are some stations that I really like, but let's just do random.
At the intro's rock though. You know, I have to go with the pretty boy, man.
As soon as I saw his first ray, I was like, that's just a rock character.
It's mine.
Now we got the basic. I mean, she looks like.
Alexein is waiting for.
She looks like female character 101.
Buttons.
So auto combos only work if you're close, right?
Yes.
No.
I fucked up. It's okay. Do something.
You know what? I did the combo missions, but I already forgot everything.
I forgot everything. Need the fireballs though. I can't charge my fireballs, I'm so dumb.
Oh, you got spot.
Yeah,
I remember.
You.
The delay DP, man.
I kind of had the feeling, but it's okay. That delay DP though.
Okay. So is that a special move?
Yeah. It's like. Oof.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no.
You can combo out of the air.
Yeah, you can, right? But these are the things I didn't really
pay attention to.
Yeah, or didn't really try out, so I have to try it now on the bridge.
Okay, that doesn't combo.
Anti-air jabs. I wonder if shimmies are strong in this game.
I think so.
I also didn't watch any tournament, so I really have no idea how this game works.
So this gonna look hella sloppy.
Yeah. We apologize in advance. But you know,
like
you gotta start somewhere, right?
Yeah. We're learning together.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's the one guy. The one guy from the stories.
Is it Eugen?
Your favorite stories guy.
It's Jean, I think. I think his name is Jean.
I don't know the names.
I mean,
I don't know the names.
I looked that up.
A lot of names.
Fight!
No. Okay, there are no wall jumps here. Oh, yeah, I forgot this special move. I got this. Okay, it's hella punishable. Skidadaki.
What is it?
No!
Ah!
Oh, yeah, nice confirm. I try. Yeah, I can hold on to the special move.
You know, his name is James. He's long flames, man.
Believe in victory. Battle 1. Engage.
I like to believe in victory.
They always come up with
Such an artistic move.
fire.
Yeah, I got some pokes.
I think I can combo out with that.
I mean, anti-airs are strong in this game. That's what I believe. Oh, fuck.
Invincible, bro. Do something.
Is that a pun? Okay.
Yes, it is. Cinematic.
Maybe I could have comboed and then do the super, but yeah, I just did it wrong.
She does a lot of damage.
Oh, fuck. It's my first day. Oh, that was DP, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
we traded.
we traded. There it is.
Player 2. Win.
We traded.
One more
Unfortunate.
Battle 2. Engage.
And most combos, flashy combos are in the corner, right?
Yeah. Oh, damn. Apresura.
Oh yes, of course, I forgot that.
No, I fucked that up. Oh, I don't have any special.
Oh fuck, man. Okay. That didn't work out. Yeah, once you're in the corner, it's difficult to go out.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe you're too bad.
But that's kind of the feeling I get.
Dun,
Believe in victory. Battle 1. Engage.
Cases. You don't have back dashes in that, but you have super jumps.
The clashes.
I also have to get used to the jumping timings because in the combo trials I had some problems with those.
Yeah. Why did I do that?
Great.
And what? Oof.
Down.
You're getting demolished.
Player 2. Win.
I'm just pushing buttons, man.
Battle 2. Engage.
Oh, nice.
I got wake up DP.
Oh, damn.
You'll run up DP, I believe.
Oh, I thought you would TP. No. No more sweep back.
And you also gotta.
Ah, I could come out there.
Guess it's through.
No!
Spot dodge this.
Player one.
There it is.
Battle 3. Engage.
Some cameos.
Fish looks delicious. Damn. No. Wow.
Yo, I got some spot dodges though. I'm just gonna pick defensive now. Oh, okay. No.
You were slow ahead. Ah, damn.
Too late.
No.
That's no punishment.
I jump
I
it.
got anti-air. Come on, kill, please.
Yeah, I hate the music, so.
Oh, I got the special ending now, right?
No.
Okay, okay.
It was kind of hype.
炎よりも熱い闘志と野望を
これはスタンドだ。
Believe in victory.
I mean, starting using some overhead, some anti-airs. Oh, and the other guy is fishing. Right?
I think I can combo. Why don't I have the reflex to do that?
Yeah, I struggle with the jumping.
Damn, the move. Oof. I didn't charge anything.
Okay, okay, no, not it. Oh. Ah, caught me out of the air.
Oh, I counter.
I don't know what to do afterwards.
Wow, I jumped on the fireball.
I got anti-air fireballs. Just sit on it
いい戦いだった
like a chick. What? Yeah, who's laying on his on her eggs.
Damn.
Die Henne. Die Henne. I can't punish with.
Why don't you push buttons?
I tried to punish
Damn.
with medium. I think I have to punish with lights. Well,
Ah, it doesn't combo.
fuck. Okay, sensitive.
Could have done something.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. No. No.
No.
No.
No.
Push a button. Push a button.
I bitch slapped you.
I wanted to go for the hard read.
Yeah, it's a lot of flames. My name is Jane. I don't play no game. The fish looks delicious.
Engage.
El peixe. Oof.
Make it safe.
They have chip in this game?
I don't think so. Maybe chip with super. I don't know. It's kind of like the fighting game trend to eliminate chip. Then was a shim.
No.
No. Again with the
Why?
with the jumping. The timing is pretty strict. I'll give him that. Or maybe I'm too used to Samsho right now. And you don't have a backdash. I always push backdash.
I was dumb. I was so dumb.
Oh, you in the corner. No, you. I'm dead.
Yeah, should be.
No.
Confirm into super. So when can you use the ultimate super though?
The ultimate super.
Yeah.
With axe?
Yeah.
When there's 100%.
No.
When the bar is in 100%. Or you mean?
I don't know.
I really don't know.
I don't know.
I didn't pay attention to the story.
Believe in victory.
I'ma just use it.
Battle 1.
I
Engage.
know that when the bar here, the bar, you see that?
Yeah.
When this is 100%, you can do the X one, right?
Yeah.
The ultra super. I don't know how it's called.
Super super duper.
No, my auto combo. No, I have no backdash, man. That fucks me up.
Oh damn.
No, come on. Anti-air, super. Oh no. Damn.
なぜこんなこと
Yo, I really struggle with the jumpings, man.
You have to get used to
Battle
it.
2. Engage.
悪くない。
Yeah. How? Why would you do that?
I think I can combo after that. Okay, that's punished for two. No. I have to think of a better punish than that. I baited.
I tried to do something.
I don't know how long. I can't hold it for forever.
I don't know that.
Battle 3.
It's the first time I see Katarina.
Yeah, I knew this. But you don't know. But you didn't know. DDD. King DDD. No. Oh fuck. There's been a DP.
Pin DP.
Come on, jump again. No.
No, I'm so dumb.
Fuck, fuck, fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh. What?
That was just nice, huh? The empty jump low, grab there. Saw that? That was what?
I already hate that you are kind of good at this game, or at least better than me. I'm like, oh, I have no struggle. I mean, I'm struggling with jump hits, I'm struggling with punish, and he's like, Fina DP.
I mean,
Even
I
though
have
you
some ideas.
Believe in victory.
I hate you already.
1. Engage.
I heard Percival is top tier, and I also heard that Katarina is top tier.
I think so too.
But again, I see no tournament, I see no one playing. I'm playing it right now for the first time. I only watched some Maximilian videos. And I ain't gonna lie, I was kinda asleep.
Yeah, kind of boring though. I think Granblue's game is boring to watch, but nice to play.
At least for us, I mean. Maybe when we understand more, we can
Yeah.
appreciate the game more. No, I'm gonna stay right here, man.
I want to say right there, we both jump at the same time.
I jump too much. Yo, I hate it. It fucks me up.
Was not a safe jump.
I can't the
No!
backdash. Oh, fucking hell.
なぜこんなことに
Yo, I can't.
Mother, I'm so beautiful.
Battle 2. Engage.
It's Kushida.
Oh, Oh, somebody's.
Because someone is calling you. They never
Yeah.
call us.
Well, not today, not now.
Oh damn!
Yo, she got a 2 tactic. Oh fuck. No. Man.
Ooh, the P.
Look at that. Look at that. No! There was a fireball. Am I dead?
No, I don't think so.
That's normal super, right?
Yeah.
Yo,
The
that
bait! That bait! I debated.
Yo, I can't deal with that.
What it was, Not of James. What?
Already 5-1. There.
First to
Come
5
on,
goes
come
to
on, no,
me.
let's change characters, man.
Want to change characters?